Hi, it's Caena. Welcome back to my channel. So yeah, today I have my 14 by Valentine's Day update. This is going to be my final update before my finale, which is in 2 weeks. So that's exciting. So if you saw that one, then you know that I had finished 4 items already. So let's get started. And if I'm looking down, it's because I have my products right here, but I also have my phone with my items and categories on here, the cheat sheet, you know. All right, so let's start with the first category, which was red. Okay. So I don't know if you could see the X. I put a mark there. It's like towards the bottom half of the X. That is where I'm at with this. And I did my nails like right after that update, and it's great. I love this color, but I don't really want to wear it for like another month. So I decided to pull this out, put it back in my stash over there, and then instead I'm going to bring in this moisturizer, which it's like about a third of it left. That's the Korres Wild Rose 24-hour moisturizer. And then, so that's for red. And then for pink, I have this Scone eyeliner in Plum, which is actually a pink. There is like this much missing from it, slowly but surely. Probably not going to finish this, but I'm going to keep trying. I like it. So that's cool. Okay, then my next item was the hearts category. And if you saw my Instagram or Facebook, then you've seen this. Little spoiler. But I did hit pan right in that little tiny heart right there. That was really exciting. So yeah, that one's done. That was my goal. So I decided to bring in these two Drunk Elephant skincare items. If you could see, there's like this tiny little elephant with the heart down here. So hearts. So I'm just gonna try to finish those two off. And then after that I had, yeah, that's the one I had, a Gucci Bloom perfume sample that I finished. And then I followed it up with this Chloe Roses de Chloe perfume. There's a little bit at the bottom, but I can't get it. I've tried and tried and tried. And I really like this stuff, and I love the Gucci Bloom. I bought some for my mom because it was so good, and I will probably get some for myself when I work through some of my perfumes. This maybe too. This was really, really nice. So that one's gone. And in its place, I'm bringing in this Marc Jacobs Daisy perfume sample. So it was full, but it's just, I kind of went ahead and substituted it already because I used that one up shortly after the update. So with this in it, I've been using it for like a week-ish. So that's going. Next category was chocolate. So you know, it's the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil Bronzer. Why can't I get that? There we go. I don't really think there's anything to show here. You know, it's pretty hard to see. I use a pretty big brush in here, so I don't know if I'm getting anywhere with that, but yeah, we'll see. So next to chocolate is Love, and I had a Chloe Love Story perfume that I did finish. A little sample, again, just working through my samples. So to replace that, I brought in this The Balm Meet Matte Hues liquid lipstick in Committed. And I'm sure that, you know, there's just, I can't see any progress. I've worn it a few times, but it's really hard to see. It's like stuck on the outside there. So I'm still working on that. Let's see what else I've got. Candlelight. So for Candlelight, still working on this guy. This highlighter. It's very pretty. It's very beautiful. Cream highlight stick. And I had a mark on here, so I'll try to show you. I have made a little bit of progress there, if you can see that. So that's happening. It's not happening in 2 weeks, but we'll see. And next was Kisses. And for that, I had this Buxom, like a matte lipstick in the color Centerfold. And you can't really, I don't know if you can see that, but okay, yeah, you know what? I think you can see this way. Let me try this. So you can see that's pretty clean. And then if you can see inside of here, you see that hole at the bottom, and then there's just thick product up around the sides. This is getting to the point where I'm thinking it should be done really soon. It got kind of messy after I took the stopper out, so I don't know how much I'll be doing that in the future with liquid lipstick type products or glosses, but yeah, it's almost gone. It's getting kind of thicker than I think it used to be, so we'll see. But I'm working on that. It doesn't have a lot to go. Okay, champagne. So for champagne, I had this IBY. Sorry, my mirror is like reflecting on my arm. That's so annoying. I'm so sorry. Okay, so I got this IBY highlighter in Bubbly was my champagne item. And if you look, you can see that there is definitely pan up in that corner there. So I'm getting this out of here. That is goal hit right there. I'm gonna try, I ordered a palette online from Etsy. It's so cute. I'll show it to you when I get it. But anyways, I'm gonna try to depot this and I'm gonna put that in there because I really like the product, hate the packaging. So yeah. Now to replace that for the champagne category, I thought sparkling wine, sparkling cranberry hand lotion from Sonoma. So that black line is from a different deal, but this silver line here is where I am. So we'll see how much of that I can get through in a couple weeks. I use it a lot, but we'll see. Okay, next. Sexy or romantic. And so I picked this Marc Jacobs mini because it's called Slow Burn. So now when I started this, it was to the C on here. So now it is to the R on here. So I've gotten one letter out of that. Oh, oops. So I got one letter's worth. Slowly but surely. I think I got a little too crazy with the lip products in this situation here, but that's okay. I like using these, so it's no big deal. Lessons learned. Okay, something that tastes or smells sweet. I had an EOS lip balm that tastes, it was like a vanilla mint. So in its place, I brought in this Hanalei lip balm, and this is where we're at with that now. We're getting there. It's almost done. I use this all the time. It sits on my desk, and I use, where is it? This guy is in a different project, but this chopstick sits in my purse, and this is at my desk, so I go between those. And for candy, yes, I had a MAC Candy Yum Yum perfume sample, which I finished up. I didn't like that at first, but it ended up being pretty cool. You know, I guess I got used to it or something. I don't know, but I liked it. But to replace that, I've got this. So it's for the candy category. So I got this Ariana Grande Sweet Like Candy perfume. It's full. Yeah. Not gonna get finished, but it's fun to use. Smells good. In the Cupid category, I'm still working on this Elizabeth Mott Thank Me Later eyeshadow primer. So the thing with this is, like, I had marked it, it was full, and I've been using this a lot, but you can't see through it. It's like the product is all up on the sides all around, and I know that it's like empty in the middle, but like I just cannot tell where I'm at with this. So it's gonna be a surprise. We'll see how that goes. And lastly, it used to be the lace category. And so I had picked this Galactic liquid eyeliner pen, and it's a black liquid eyeliner pen. Gosh darn, that's on there good. Okay, but yeah, it's like, you know, still going. But because I thought that this was lace, and then I looked at it closer, turns out it's like jewelry. So we'll just call it the jewelry category because, you know, Valentine's Day, I like jewelry. So that's fine. Now, that I think is it. I got 1, 2, I had 4, and then that's 5, 6. That doesn't count. I take it back. I think I've only finished 6. I don't know where I got 8 from. 6 products, so I need 8 to finish. That's gonna be fun. So wish me luck because I will need it. Other than that, I think we're done here, and I'm really hoping I can get some more stuff done by the, I just noticed I'm wearing my glasses on my head for the whole video. That's awesome. So that was fun. But anyway, I'm gonna get out of here because I'm losing my mind. So have a good one, and I'll see you next time. Bye.